Hey, nagmamadali akong bumaba. Akala ko nandito na talaga yung yung school bus ni Sisi. Ayan, car yan ni Madam. Ang kulay blue. Oh, ayan na pala, ayan na. Ayan na pala.
Because of the box. Oh, diba? Okay, tomorrow.
Just today because we are going.
Ayan yung school bus.
My water is here.
You didn't watch that? Bring you, what you put inside that one?
No.
Nothing? You didn't bring your snacks?
I make sure.
The snacks? Look, si Sisi. Okay, bye-bye. Ayun yung school bus, nag-aantay pa. Yes.
The white horse is sick.
See? Oh no.
Just black and brown.
Brown? So you didn't, what's that?
I go in the
What?
brown.
And the brown? Last time, what you wear? What you ride? The black?
White.
White? Last time, white? Wow, very good. So now, brown. You ride already the brown up.
Papa, I want to take a shower.
You can shower now?
Mom, this pool does it's very for the school. I have to shower.
No, maybe tomorrow you take a shower.
Touch your hand.
Yeah, very hot. It's very hot. Oh, because she go riding. Oh, so big daw, very big daw.
Just today with this one.
Eh, just today, okay? Ang yela na. Go inside na.